And there are these pivot arms that go in these pivot bolts. And there's supposed to be a bushing on there. And it's supposed to be a donut kind of shaped bushing that fits around this round part, lets it pivot, pops in on there. So first, looking off ones online, drew one up in Tinkercad, put a little bevel on it, hoping that would push in, but it was still bigger than the hole. So I wasn't able to get it to push in. And the tolerances were too tight. So I redesigned, sharper bevel. And now it kind of sits in there a little bit. So now when I press it in, it should pop through with a fair amount of grease on it. And then they'll pop onto that. And to show that it works, I got one installed right here. And it's hard to tell, but it is all in there. And I probably should have wire wheeled and cleaned that and painted this before I assembled, because there's no way I'm getting that out now. Alright. There's probably easier ways to do this, like with a table or something. This is fingers pinching damn thing. And frustrating. I'm using a vice clamp to install this pivot bolt. And honestly, I think a washer, long screw, and a deep socket to just, pull it all together would work easier. I don't think I have a long enough bolt right now. So we are going to do that. Get grease on everything, so dirt sticks to the grease. I need that on this side. Yeah. And this worked on the other side, but there was some swearing and took more than one try. You need about 3 hands to do this. It's hard making this work laying flat on this too, but sure this is on the metal on the lip. Try to get it centered once you start getting this tight. Okay. And it wants to slide off because it's all greasy. And reset. This is where I think a long bolt and a washer, not on the other end of the deep well, would really make this work easily. I'm sliding off, but still getting some edge on there. Oh, some of the shit's getting edited out. I don't care. It's not going in. It does not want to go in. Let's try. Oh, there it goes. It slid in. Oh, yeah. it's still got pulling around, but it's pretty much in. I think I just snapped away in. There we go. Good. It's in there now. Alright, so that's pretty much sucked in. I've got where I can get my fingernail under there, so it is pulled out. So I could just done that. So, alright, now comes the next fun part. Slides that sucker right in. Alright. That worked. That worked better than that side. It took one try. Alright, so it pivots like it's supposed to. It's got enough stiffness there. It can spin, but it's not wobbly. So now this goes. This guy's got to move a little bit. Ooh, this is stiff. This guy's gonna need taken apart anyways, but now to make that go on easy. On the back side. So now that stays. Pivots in on both sides, doesn't flop around. You saw me trying to open and close this in previous videos. This makes it work a lot better and not bend everything to shit. And I just saved 36 bucks by 3D printing my own bushings.